Breaking news coming in. Sameer Wankhade's father, Dhyandev Wankhade, has moved the Bombay High Court with a suit against Maharashtra Cabinet Minister Nawab Malik for defaming his family. The suit says that Malik has done irreparable loss, damage, harm, prejudice to the name, character and reputation and societal image of the plaintiff and his family members. That's a big breaking story coming in right there. Sameer Wankhade's father moves the Bombay High Court. Pankaj Upadhyay is bringing us the story. Joining us for the latest. Pankaj, we've already mentioned to our viewers as to how Sameer Wankhade's father has moved the Bombay High Court against Nawab Malik. If you could walk our viewers through the comments that Nawab Malik has made, on the back of which Sameer Wankhade's father has filed this particular suit.
The news, first of all, is that Sameer Wankhade, who is the Zonal Director of Narcotics Control Bureau, his father, Dhyanand Kachiruji Wankhade, has moved the Bombay High Court against Nawab Malik for defaming his family. Now, in the suit, he said that Nawab Malik has been calling Wankhade family as fraud. One, they have been Nawab Malik has been questioning their religious beliefs. Two, and thirdly, that with the remarks that he has been making, Yasmin Wankhade, who's a lawyer, his business, her practice is also getting impacted, and at a time when she does not even take the NDPS cases. Now, we've seen, Chaiti, for the last couple of days, how Nawab Malik has continuously been taking various press conferences and has been directing his attacks on the Wankhade family, be it Sameer Wankhade with regards to the caste certificate, where he's been maintaining that a fraud has been committed. Also with the various certificates and the Nikahnama which he had produced against Sameer Wankhade's father, saying that he is a Muslim, and also the various comments that he had made on the family. On the background of these various comments and the press conferences that Nawab Malik has been holding, now Sameer Wankhade's father has approached the Bombay High Court, demanding a compensation of 1.25 crore and also demanding a permanent injunction restraining Nawab Malik from holding any press conferences or speaking in the media against the Wankhade family. But as it turns out, Nawab Malik today also is going to hold another press conference. And let's remind the viewers that in the past, another BJP leader, Mohit Kamboj Bhartiya, had also approached the Bombay High Court against Nawab Malik. But Nawab Malik has been saying that he will not be bothered by all these suits or petitions, and that he will continue to bring out the truth. So, in an hour or two from now, Cabinet Minister Nawab Malik will be holding yet another press conference.
10 o'clock is when that press conference is scheduled to take place. We'll obviously cut to that and get more inputs from you as well. You stay on with us, because Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik hints at dropping another bombshell now, as Pankaj was just mentioning. The NCB Neta, inexorable on his attacks on the NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhade after RVN drug case, has now promised to reveal more secrets in a cryptic tweet. He's going to be addressing the media at 10 a.m. In a social media post, Malik said, and I quote, "There are many secrets hidden in the Lalits. See you soon on Sunday," unquote, suggesting that there are more startling revelations to be made. Meanwhile, vigilance team probing extortion charges against Wankhade is all set to intensify the probe. The NCB team will visit spots related to drug bust case, will scan all the CCTV footages. They're likely to get in touch with Mumbai police as well. Sources tell India Today that the team has only found procedural lapses in filing Aryan Khan's case and no evidence to prove extortion charges. Statements of 12 people have been recorded in this case.